Hi everyone.
Welcome to Englishify.
Today, we're going to learn some everyday colors.
Let's start.
Red.
Red.
This apple is red.
This apple is red.
Blue.
Blue.
This umbrella is blue.
This umbrella is blue.
Yellow.
Yellow.
This banana is yellow.
This banana is yellow.
Green.
Green.
This leaf is green.
This leaf is green.
Orange.
Orange.
This carrot is orange.
This carrot is orange.
Pink.
Pink.
This flower is pink.
This flower is pink.
Purple.
Purple.
This shirt is purple.
This shirt is purple.
Brown.
Brown.
This chocolate is brown.
This chocolate is brown.
Black.
Black.
This bag is black.
This bag is black.
White.
White.
This cat is white.
This cat is white.
Gray.
Gray.
This elephant is gray.
This elephant is gray.
Well done.
You learned the main colors.
Which color is your favorite?
Write it in the comments.
Don't forget to like and subscribe for more lessons.